Shania Baby back with another video. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. I'm Shania Baby. Okay, so today's particular video is going to be on how I do my eyebrows with the two slits, as you guys can see. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be taking my MILANI eyeshadow primer because I'm using eyeshadow for my eyebrows. I'm going to take in the AOA Studio oval brush, the medium sized one, and just blend it in. Okay, now I'm going to go on my LA Color matte eyeshadow. The darkest one and the second darkest one are the two I like to mix together and use. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with my Avon concealer in the color dark so I can shape my eyebrows in that shape that I desire.
Beat it up like beat it up like beat it up like beat it up like beat it up like
Okay, now after I have my desired shape, I'm going to blend in my eyebrows with my angle brush, also from e.l.f. And I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Medium brush also.
beat it up like beat it up like beat it up like
Okay, now I'm going to be putting two slits on my left, or is it my right? Okay, well, one of my eyebrows I'm going to be putting two slits on. So basically what I'm doing here is taking the concealer with my angle brush, and I'm just making sure my line's straight, and I'm going to do that for one and the other side, as you guys can see. Okay, after I put my two slits in, I'm going to blend in the concealer more.
beat it up like beat it up like
Guys, that's pretty much it. I will take, I know I still have some concealer on my eyebrows, but when I do my rest of my makeup, my foundation will cover the rest of the concealer up. But this is just to show you guys how I did my split eyebrows. Okay guys, thank you, like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.